Have you ever wondered how you can use AI to create viral video and make money from them? Just like this video? Or this video? The new version of Grok makes this insanely easy. Free, fast, and surprisingly high quality. So what are we waiting for? Let's start creating a 30-second kids animation step by step. To get started, open ChatGPT and paste the prompt I've added for you in the description. Scroll down and find the part that says Your Video Time. Replace it with the duration you want for your video. For our project, we want a 30-second video, so we simply type 30 seconds. After that, press Enter, and ChatGPT will automatically generate a unique prompt for each scene. Now copy the prompt for Scene 1. Go to the Grok website, open the Imagine section on the left, and paste the prompt there. Before generating, make sure you select Image, not Video, and set the aspect ratio to 3:2. After clicking Enter, Grok starts generating an image based on your prompt. The cool part is, it doesn't just give you one image. It gives you thousands of variations, and you can simply pick the one you like the most. Personally, I think this one looks pretty good, so I'm going to choose it. Right below the image you selected, you'll see a field where you have to paste the same prompt you used to generate the picture. After pasting it, click on Make Video. This time, Grok will create a complete video for you. We just wait a moment while the video is being generated. And here's an important thing to know. Grok makes all videos up to 6 seconds long, and that limit is the same for both free and paid accounts. 6 seconds is the maximum length. Alright, our first scene is ready. Go ahead and download the video. But there's one important step here. At the very last frame of the video, pause it, right-click, and select Save Video Frame As. Save that image somewhere because we're going to need it later. As you can see, our first scene turned out beautifully. To create Scene 2, go back to ChatGPT and copy the prompt that was generated for Scene 2. Now return to Grok and click the little pin icon in the bottom left corner. Then select Upload a File. Here, choose the exact final frame you saved from Scene 1. Below the image, paste the prompt you copied earlier. By uploading that final frame, we ensure that Scene 2 starts exactly where Scene 1 ended. This makes the transitions perfectly smooth when all the clips are placed together later. And here we go. Our second scene is now generated, and as you can see, it looks just as natural and beautiful. Download the video. And just like before, pause on the very last frame. Right-click and save that final frame as well. We'll need it for the next scene. From this point on, I'm not going to show every step in detail, because everything works exactly the same as what we already did for Scene 1 and Scene 2. Nothing changes. What really matters now is putting all the scenes together at the end. And that part has a few important tips. So stay with me, because after we finish generating all the scenes, I'll show you exactly what to do. And, well, while we're here, I want to have a friendly moment with you. I'm not here to waste your time, your internet, or drag out the video just so I get more views or more watch time. My goal is simple. I want both of us to benefit. I don't want to be like those channels that say, do this, do that, make money for free. And then when you actually try it, you find out there's a hidden paywall or some trick behind it. I'm showing you Grok because I'm confident it's completely free, and you can create around 50 videos a day with no payment at all. That's exactly why I made this tutorial for you, and because this is my very first video on the channel. If you feel like you learned something today, or if you simply enjoyed the video, a like or a subscribe would honestly mean a lot. I'm planning to share many real, practical ways to create content and make money online. Methods that actually work. So stay tuned. Thank you. And here it is. Our final scene is done. We've officially created all the scenes we need. Alright, we've finally reached the last step, the part where we connect all our clips together. To do this, we need an app called CapCut. I've put the download link in the description for you. Once you open CapCut, click on Create Project to start a brand new project. Then go to the Media section at the top left. Click Import, and upload all the videos that Grok created for us. After importing everything, all you need to do is drag the clips, from the first scene to the last, onto the editing timeline. Here you can watch your video and make any changes you want. Take a look at how clean and smooth the transition is between Scene 1 and Scene 2. It looks really good. Now, drag the rest of the scenes in the same way until your full video is complete. And that's it. Our video is finished. And as you can see, the timing is exactly 30 seconds. To download your video, choose the quality you want and click the export button in the top right corner. Your video will be exported and ready to save. Thank you to everyone who watched this tutorial. If you enjoyed the video or found it helpful, I'd really appreciate your support.